Sound Partners 1, Lesson 89. When A is followed by W, the letters say all, like in the word saw. Say the underlined pair first and then read the word. All pause, all brawny, all claw, all sawmill, all yawning, all saw, all hawk, all seesaw, all dawn, all crawling, all raw, all outlaw. Now let's spell 3 words that have the aw sound. The first word we're going to spell is the word hawk. Hawk. Number 2, outlaw. Outlaw. And number 3, yawning. Yawning. Now let's check your spelling. The first word was hawk. H-A-W-K. The next word, outlaw. O-U-T-L-A-W. And the last word, yawning. Y-A-W-N-I-N-G. Now let's sound these words out and then read them fast. Ready? Short, short. Awful, full, awful. Yucky, yucky. Forty, 40. Players, players. All, saw, mill, sawmill. Port, port. Day, Sunday. Pork, pork. North, north. Torn, organ. Plywood, plywood. Walk, jaywalk. Main, stream, mainstream. Now let's spell some words. The first word we're going to spell is the word short. Write the letters or letter pairs you hear in the word short. Now underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word short. The next word, awful, awful. Now underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word awful. The next word, pork. Pork. Underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word pork. The next word, north. North. Underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word north. The next word, players. Players. Underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word players. And the last word, yucky. Yucky. Now underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word yucky. Now let's check your spelling. The first word was short, S-H-O-R-T, with the letter pairs S-H and O-R. The next word, awful, A-W-F-U-L, with the letter pairs A-W. The next word, pork, P-O-R-K, with the letter pair O-R. The next word, north, N-O-R-T-H, with the letter pairs O-R and T-H. The next word, players, P-L-A-Y-E-R-S, with the letter pairs P-L, A-Y, and E-R. And the last word, yucky, Y-U-C-K-Y, with the letter pairs C-K. Today we have a new sight word, the word again. A-G-A-I-N, again. Ready? Let's read and spell our words. Shiny, S-H-I-N-Y, shiny. Again, A-G-A-I-N, again. Walk, W-A-L-K, walk. Move, M-O-V-E, move. Do, D-O, kind, K-I-N-D, kind. Put, P-U-T, put. Because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. Little, L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Find, F-I-N-D, find. Walk, W-A-L-K, walk. Friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Move, M-O-V-E, move. Again, AGAIN, again. Shiny, SHINY, shiny. And let's read each word once more. Ready? Shiny. Again. Walk. Move. Do. Kind. Put. Because. Little. Find. Walk. Friend. Move. Again. Shiny. Now let's spell some of our sight words. The first one we're going to spell is our new word, again. Write the word again on your paper. The next word, put. Put. The next word, find. Find. And the last word, walk. Walk. Now let's check your answers. The first word was again, AGAIN, again. The next word, put, PUT, put. The next word, find, FIND, find. And the last word, walk, WALK, walk. Now let's practice reading our sentences. I'll give you just a minute to practice by yourself. Now let's read together. We walked around the house again to find 4 more shiny things. They were for your sister who was crying. She smiled again when she saw the shiny little nickels, dimes, and quarters. Let's try it one more time. Ready? We walked around the house again to find 4 more shiny things. They were for your sister who was crying. She smiled again when she saw the shiny little nickels, dimes, and quarters. We can read long words by breaking them up into smaller chunks. I'll show you. You read the parts, then read the word. At, sat, is, ack, fack. Sat, is, fact, or tor. Sat is factor e. Satisfactory. By taking a long word and breaking it apart into its syllables, it makes it easier to read. You can read the parts and then put it together for the whole word. Satisfactory. Now read these long words broken into syllables. Then read the word fast. Ready? Atlantic. Atlantic. Imperfect. Imperfect. Sawdust. Sawdust. Now break these words into syllables. Read the syllables and then read the word. Remember to break the word into syllables. You locate the vowels and then you can break it apart into its syllables. Ready? Janitor. Janitor. Togetherness. Togetherness. Powerful. Powerful. Establish. Establish. Today we will read a story called The Train. The Train. The little train was painted black. When it ran, its wheels went clickety-clack, clickety-clack. It had a big brass bell that went ding-dong, ding-dong. It ran on tracks that were both shiny and strong. The little train ran in the rain. It ran in the sun. It ran up the hill and down the hill. It went from town to town. But one day, a funny thing made the little train stop. On the track was a big brown cow. Toot, 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 ding dong, was all in vain. It was plain that the cow was not afraid. She just stood and looked and wagged her tail. "Get off, brown cow!" the trainman yelled. "Shoo, shoo! Moo, moo!" "What can we do?" the passengers said. "We paid our fare, but we cannot go anywhere." Soon a little maid came along with a shiny pail. She sat down on a stool next to the cow. As the cow wagged her tail and mooed at the train, the maid pumped milk into the pail. Then the maid got up, gave a little bow. She went off down the track with the old brown cow. At last the little black train started to move. Toot, toot, ding dong, it sang. Every day it went from town to town, but the little maid and the old brown cow were never seen again. The end. And that's the end of our lesson today.